the world is changing, and is changing quite fast. Some of us already know it, and some of us are not very sure. Most of us are afraid of change, and some of us are excited to see it happening. However, the world is changing fast, whether we like it or we're ready for it. Now, Web3 is already here, and it's here to stay. It's going to become the predominant way of communication, which is normal because that's how Web 1 or Web 2 were at their times. Most industries are already into Web 3. Let's look at retail, Adidas, Nike. Let's look at finance with DeFi or even Ripple. Let's look at logistics with Myers. Most industries already invest and are very, very active into Web 3. However, there is one industry, and not any industry, an industry with one of the highest growing rates in the last 3 years. It grew over 3 times in just 2.5 years, starting with 2020. There is that industry which is not still into Web3 at all. You probably noticed my shirt, and I'm gonna put this picture now big on your screens so you look at it better. What is this picture telling you? This is the content creator industry today. It's old. It's dominated by a few big players. It's abusive. It's unfair to content creators. And this is what MetaStudio is here to change. We are building the Web3 content creators platform for the next 10 years. Let's look a little bit deeper into the content creators platforms today. They are usually abusive. They make their own rules. They change the rules however they want them. There is no community involvement. Creators have no right to express opinions, and even if they do, their opinions are disconsidered. They don't matter at all. Those platforms take huge commissions from the content creators, up to 50% of their work. And not only that are huge, but they are also completely opaque. Nobody knows what they spend those money on. It's the money that belongs to the content creators. And we plan to allow content creators to decide how to spend them or not. And nevertheless, there is no privacy. There is no real privacy, at least. Data are being requested, stored, sometimes stolen. Content creators' private information are very often released to public, and the pain they feel is quite significant. When we started MetaStudio about a year ago, the first thing we approached was research. We actually went to content creators on Twitch, on YouTube, on Patreon, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter. We went to them and we asked them, what is your biggest issue today? What is the pain that you would like us to solve in MetaStudio? And we recorded their most frequent answers. There were 3 of them. First, decision making. Content creators want to be involved in the decision the platform they work on takes, on the rules, on the reports. The second one, finance. They want to know how much the platform spends on what, and more, they want to be able to decide what every platform spends their money on, which is fair, isn't it? And the third one, they want privacy. They want real privacy. They don't want to leave data on the platform. So that's exactly what we're building for them. MetaStudio is going to be a decentralized, autonomous organization. Content creators and users of the platform will be able to vote on any decision, starting from rules, reports, finance, how we spend money, is going to be decided by you and not by us. And the last but not the least, privacy. You can sign up with your wallet and start selling in seconds. You don't need to fill up any forms, and you don't leave your personal data with MetaStudio. Why am I here today recording this video? I'm here because we need your support. We need your help. We need your help to finance the software development. We plan to release the first version of MetaStudio in May 2023, just 6 months from today. But in order to do it, we will need your backup. Are you going to make money investing with us? Yes, I'm sure you will. And why I'm so sure is because we're not doing it the usual corporate style, when we just take money from people and then start paying our executive huge salaries every year. No. In order for us, the founding team, to make 1 cent, you will have to make that cent first. This is how our tokenomics are being planned. You come first. Reach out to us. Ask us more about MetaStudio. Ask us how you can make money with us. Come and support the future of the content creator economy in Web3, where everything is going now. Because, as I said from the beginning, the world is changing. You can be a part of the change or not.